There's my neck bony Uncle Fat.
What up?
There's Christopher, my parrot, my man.
Parrot.
What's up, Chris? Say hi, man. Don't be scared. It's me.
Hi.
Hi, Chris. Come on, shake my hand. Chris, don't bite me. Say hello. Hi, Chris. Say hi to me. Hey, come on. I'm shaking your hand, Chris. Hi, Chris. Hello, Chris. Alright, you know what? Maybe I can do it like this. Ah, you son of a bitch! Come on, Chris. Down. Hey, look, come on, Chris. Say hi to the camera. Hello. Hello, Chris. What? Hi, Chris. This is my parrot. Say hello to the camera. There you go, Chris. Hey, say hi to my friends. Say hello to Caroline, James, Kalani, Kavika, Danilo, Joe, Janelle, Richard, and Mark, and Paul, and Sean. Say hello, Chris. What? What do you mean, huh? Dude, you gotta say hello to the camera. Do you not know what that is? You idiot! Chris, shake my hand. Now say hello.
Hello.
There you go. Thank you, man. High five. There you go.
High five, bird.
I train my bird to do these things. He's the man, right? There you go. Say bye-bye, Chris. Stick your foot up. There you go. Say bye-bye. That's my boy Chris, and there's Raul.
Hey, what's happening? See the face of the camera, Christopher? Chris?
Hi, Chris.